So we're going to take a regular micro gold 30 seconds template for Asia. Most of the templates for micro gold is applicable for New York or London or Asia. I usually don't change them, but this one is specific to the Asia. Why? Because take a look at the market maker. Do you see that this is the 100 order and the equally distance from the price line, the equal distance on the both sides, there's another 100. So this is a market maker, and you see that this order is on top of the other orders. That usually when they switch it, it becomes new on top of other orders. So when they switch the position for this order equally with this one, they will move up and down, and it will be a last order. This is how I know that it is market maker. This is an early Asia session, just a very early Sydney session. And there's some other, like 150, this is equal, and 300. 150 and 300, they're on an equal distance on the both sides of the price line. 150, and somewhere over here, there's a 300 volume. This is the market maker. So market maker would like to protect some of the price levels in case if somebody gonna buy too much. Now, I would like to hide this market maker positions because I don't want to see too much. I don't want to have too much attention to the market maker. Although I would like to see how the market maker moves. So I'm gonna make this a particular price. Everything is above 99, volume 99 will be transparent for me. So this one will be transparent, 100, 150, and 300. All of that, I'm going to make it transparent. I feel that it is a little bit risky to do that, but since this is early Asia session, I don't see any other orders equal to even a 50. Nobody put the one single order equal to even 20, 30, or 50, or 70, 75. So if I'm going to make everything transparent above volume 99, I think I'm going to play safe. That is the first what I'm going to do for the MBO DOM. Second, as you notice, when market makers spend time, then they will leave the mark on the heat map. So this is the heat map. When I put my mouse over here, you see somebody was here for 300, volume of 300 for a long time, was sitting over here. That was a market maker, one of these dudes on the MBO DOM. Okay, so this is market maker. This is not market maker because it's 33. This is 102. So it was market maker and somebody else. I would like to make this price levels on the heat map less visible because right now it's giving me too much attention. This is giving me too much attention. This is giving me too much attention, 154. So I want to diminish the importance of the market maker on my heat map as well. So now, first, I'm going to do it for the MBO DOM. I'm going to go to the indicators, and let's go to the MBO DOM. I'm going to move this indicator up, so next time when I'm going to open this indicator, it will be a first in order for me to see the parameters of that. Now, let me make a little bit more space for my indicator. And actually, the quick way is to go to the quick menu for the MBO DOM. This is kind of very nifty menu. In the upper side of this chart, I'm going to see the MBO DOM in green. Select that, and now there's a filters on the MBO DOM. First, I'm going to go to the DOM histogram because this is a DOM histogram. I'm going to go to the section 303 DOM histogram, scroll it down, and then there's a couple filters. Those filters is designed exactly for this very purpose. I'm going to make filter 90, so everything is above 90. Instead of this color, filter 2, hot pink, I'm going to turn it into the transparent color. So there will be no color I will able to see the number, what volume on that order, but I would like to make it transparent. Now let me make it transparent, and boom, you see the 100 now become not pinky but transparent. Now I can distinguish between 100 and the 34 that's jumping out there, and I'm gonna make the volume filter 2 is transparent again. So for the bid and for ask, I'm gonna do transparent color apply, and now you see this 100 is transparent, although I see the number on top of that, and it is really good for me when I trade to put my exits or to place my stop losses nearby that in situations when I need it. So pretty good. Now after I change my DOM and make the market maker less visible, 100, 150, and the 300. Later at the daytime for the New York, they will be changed to something like 150 or 240. This is early Asia session. That's why they're just starting. And the market maker is not too large, only 100. Okay, I'm going to adjust these brights on the heat map. I'm going to take them away. I'm going to go to the indicators and move past DOM indicator to the top, move to the upper position. So now we're going to hide. Okay, there's a volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, volume 4. Those are filters. So I'd like to hide everything what is above 99, volume 99, and assign the color for the volume 4 that's going to go above 99. I'm going to assign the color on both sides on a bid and ask. I'm going to assign the color 4. I'm going to assign what? I'm going to assign color transparency to 0. So it will be the same color, but it will be totally transparent. Okay, so the color opacity for the volume 4, everything is above 99, will be color opacity will be just 1. Okay, so it doesn't go to 0, it's going to be 1. And same for the ask. I'm going to color 4 because this is volume 4, color 4 associated, and I'm going to change opacity to 0. It's going to give me 1 again. And now look what's going to happen with the heat map after I select apply. Look at the left and look at the right. Apply and click OK. Now I'm no longer seeing those, the heat map with the too much of volume, which is not really a visual cue for me to do anything, because it's a market maker that always swinging up and down, swinging up and down. It's not stable, not sitting there for a long time.